So I've got the walls mostly on their chalk lines. I'm gonna go ahead, check square one more time in all the corners, and then I'm gonna adjust for height. So let's check square. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4. It's a little hard to do by yourself, but now I'm a 1/4 inch off, which is not good. I checked the other 3 corners, and the other 3 corners are spot on, and the lengths of all these are spot on, so there's no way this can be off. So I think it's something with the bottom block getting pushed out a little bit, or in, or squeezed together, or squeezed out on this bottom side. So I'm not going to worry about it. We'll make sure the top is square, and we'll square the corners from corner to corner, and then we'll just pour. Both sides need to go up. I'm going to lift it up again for you, okay? One, 2, 3.
Except for the fact that you're high.
Perfect. Okay, this is the gaps and cracks one, so I'm a little worried about it getting too much. Let's go this way. Okay. How's we? Holy cow, hopefully you can hear me. There are no cows. It's windy today. It looks like it's gonna rain pretty much on and off all day, so I've got my rain jacket out here. The plan today is to get all the bracing up on the ICFs, so that way I can get it inspected tomorrow and we can pour next week. Hopefully I get that all done today. It shouldn't be too much of an issue, but it's gonna be a long, windy, cold day. Let's get to it. Anywhere there's a wall, there's this BB in this outline. That's where a stud is. So there's basically a big strip of plastic in there that you can attach stuff to. So what you're supposed to do is attach, they say attach a 2x4 flat up against the wall, screw it into where that BB is. Then we'll come off of it with a diagonal to the ground into a stake, and that's how we can adjust our top in and out to get plumb. So So this whole day has just been it sprinkling a little bit, getting cloudy, looking like that, and then it'll stop. So But right now I'm gonna go start pounding in the stakes, and then we're gonna, for the braces, and then we'll go around and put all the braces out. I've got everything cleaned out except for the stuff I need. Apparently, and a rake in this guy. And then I'll go through and put braces up. So we'll get to it. Let's just give it some. It got all of the braces cut and set out to where they're supposed to go. Right now what I'm going to do is go around, attach them up to the top so they're nailed up there, ready to go for when we nail them into the stake. So I'm just going to put one nail in them for now. I'll get it about where it needs to be, and one nail will probably stay in there. Is that how it works? There you go. After all the vertical pieces were screwed to the wall and the diagonals were screwed to the vertical pieces, we then went around and plumbed the wall. I held the wall plumb with a level while Chelsea screwed the diagonals into the stake. And then one more. Nope, we have 0 more.
Sweet.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
Nailed it. I think that'll be fine. I don't think we're gonna get a lower spot. You're in my way.
No. So mean.
Oh, that didn't sound good.
It was my watch.
Oh, okay, good. I was like, that sounded like something ripped.